Hey everyone, I had a very interesting question come up in one of my recent training sessions, and the question was, how do we display repeated row labels for each row? So if you take a closer look at this visualization, we can see that we're looking at a number of different dimensions. And so what the client wanted to see is a label for each row of data in Tableau. And there's actually two different methods that we can use in order to achieve this requirement. So essentially what they wanted to see is a layout that looks like this, where we are displaying a header for every single dimension, row by row. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you guys through on how to achieve this type of layout in Tableau using two different approaches. All right, so let's take a look at the first approach. So here I'm back to my original visualization. And what you want to do in this case is you want to create a calculation that will give you the index number for each row, starting with the first row. So essentially you're going to create a new calculated field, which is going to give you the index. So you're going to save that field and then you're simply going to drag the calculation to rows. And now, as you can see, we are getting our headers for every single row in our visualization. Now, in order to hide this field, all you have to do is click on your calculation and then uncheck show header, right? And that gives you the layout. All right, so the second approach involves us creating a combined field. So we are going to combine our region, category, and subcategory fields into one single dimension. And we can do that by highlighting category, region, and subcategory, clicking on one of the dimensions, choosing Create, Combined Field. Tableau is going to merge these dimensions into one field. Then we can drag that dimension into rows and simply uncheck Show Header, and you get the same layout. It's a very simple solution, and you can choose either method 1 or method 2. It really just depends on your preference. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for more Tableau tutorials.